Alright, so in this example, you are going to first need to factor out an x squared because these two have that as a greatest common factor. But also notice that both of these numbers can be divided by 3. So we're going to factor out a 3x squared and then still set it equal to 0. So when we divide 3 by 3, we don't have a number here. You can put a 1 if you want. We take 2 x's away, we get x squared. Minus, divide 27 by 3 and get 9. Both of your x's are out front now. So what's left in the parentheses is something that should be easier to factor using the x. And so remember, in your factor x, at the top goes the constant, which is -9 in this case, and at the bottom goes your b value. Since we don't have a b value, there's nothing in the middle, we put a 0. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to be -9 and add to be 0. And the only ones that do that are -3 and +3. So to write this factored out all the way, we have 3x squared, and then x minus 3, x plus 3, and then it's equal to 0. Now these problems are asking us to solve, not to factor, so we need to turn these all into solutions by just changing the sign of each of our numbers. So this would be a +3, this would be a -3, and any x you have that's isolated or by itself just represents a root or a solution at 0. So our answers would be 0, 3, and -3.